Let us now take a close look at the code that ChatGPT has produced. In this code, we observe that ChatGPT has preserved our poor choice of variable names. We could ask ChatGPT to use better variable names, such as the ones it was suggesting up above. Now, you notice that in this code, it has included this extra line. It has asked the user to also enter the gender. Let us suppose that for our context, we don't know the patient's gender. Now that we know that there are two formulas, let us instead ask ChatGPT to write the code so that it gives us the ideal body weight and the basal metabolic rate for both males and females. Further, you notice that the generative AI has assumed that the weight is going to be given in pounds and the height is going to be given in inches. Let us say we now know that the weight is going to be given in kg and the height is going to be given in centimeters. So let us tell ChatGPT to revise this code. So I will say the height will be in centimeters, the weight in kg, and I don't know the gender, so give me for both. Now, I could have probably written a somewhat better prompt than this, but let us see if this is sufficient. So once again, it will produce a different code. This time it's saying it will adjust for the height in centimeters, the weight in kgs, and it will provide calculations for both males and females. And here is that updated code. So the age remains the same. This time it adds in the prompt that is being given as part of the input function. It is saying the weight in kg, and then it's asking for the height in centimeters. And now it is converting the height from centimeters to meters, because for the formula for BMI, we need the height in meters. And so it is calculating the BMI, and it is calculating the BMR for both male and for female, and again it is calculating the ideal body weight for both genders, and finally it is printing the results. So you can see that this style of debugging seems to be very powerful. We began this conversation with ChatGPT by simply asking it to fix the code. We were relying on the fact that ChatGPT knew about the context in which we were working and was able to accurately recall the relevant formulas. Just because this fixing exercise was so simple to perform with ChatGPT, we must not assume that it is always going to be so simple, and we must not assume that ChatGPT will always produce accurate code.